Hey, hello friends, this is Ankit once again with a very quick video on MS Excel on uses of double clicks in MS Excel. So what we'll be doing is reviewing various types of uses of double clicks in MS Excel, most of which must be known to you also. So we'll be doing it very quick and fast. First use of double click in MS Excel is that for example there is some data written out here, and what you want is that as you can see the data is not accommodating in its particular cell, and what you want is that all the data gets automatically adjusted or accommodated in its particular cell. So what you can do is to go to the particular column, like for example I want this column to be adjusted so that all the names written out here gets adjusted in their particular cells. So what I have to do is to go at the end of that column heading, that is B's columns heading, this kind of sign appears out there. What you do is you double click out here, so it automatically gets adjusted in every name gets adjusted in the particular cells. Okay, but the problem is in case of a huge database, or you are having a lots of columns, lots of rows, where there is such problem that the data is not properly accommodated in its particular cell, so you can't go and click at the end of each column and get the data fitted to its particular cell. So what you can do is just go out here, click here, this way it selects the whole of the worksheet which you are working on, and then go at any point, any cell, whichever you want to. So if you click at any end of any cell, it automatically gets worked up in all the cells that are there. See, for example, I've double clicked at the end of C, but it automatically gets worked up in column D as well, and the businessman and the work areas automatically gets fit into their particular cell. Similarly, what you can do is, if the same problem is coming with the rows, because if you double click out at the end of the column, it will adjust the column width according to accommodate that particular word or whatever you have written in that cell. But if similarly, if you want the same thing to happen in your cell, suppose there is a if I say that there is a lot of space like this in it, and at various places this is appearing. So what you can do is you just go out here, double click here, and that is how it automatically gets adjusted into its particularly the required area. Okay. Second usage of double clicking is that if you want, in especially in MS Office 2013, 2007 and further versions like 2013, 2007, what you can do is you can hide this ribbon so that you can have a more larger area to work upon. What you can do is to go at any of these tabs and double click out here, so it automatically gets hidden and you get a more wider sheet to work on. If you want it to come back, just double click on any of it and it automatically appears back. Okay, another function which I won't be able to tell you in MS Office 2013, but it's available in MS Office 2007 2010 versions. What you can do is that you must be knowing about split cells, which is appearing here, that is split. It helps in splitting your worksheet into different like it creates a section, and what you can do is you can work on your worksheet at different columns and different rows at the same point of time. For example, I could if I have to check something is written in I column and something is written on the B column, or suppose something is written on the Z column and something is written on the B column, I want to check it simultaneously, so I can use split cells so that I need not to scroll here and there again and again. So this is what split cell is used. And in MS Office 2007 and 2010, what option is there is that there is a small icon that comes out here at this point. It's not available in 2013. So what you have to do is to go there and double click at that place. It's just above this scrolling toolbar. So when you double click, it automatically appears, the split bar automatically appears out there. and to if you have to remove this split bar, you have to go here and just double click it on it. It automatically disappears. Same thing for this. So this is one of the function of double clicks that is there, which is available mainly in 2007 and 2010 version, but not there in 2013 version. Another usage of double clicking is that suppose you want to add in the serial number here out. So what you can do is write 1 here, 2 here, select this and go out here. There's a plus sign that appears, a black plus sign, and what you have to do is just double click it. So automatically arranges the number as per your names given there. So it automatically jump to 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you need not to write in 3 4 5 6. And also one of the benefits is it automatically gets stopped at the point where your data in the just next cell ends up. So if in case your data gets ends up here or here, it automatically comes and stops here. Okay, so this is one of the function in the similarly it can be used for various things, like you can use it for months also, days also. So it automatically calculates the next date or next number or next day, however you use it. Okay, one more function of double clicking is what we do is a format painter. In format painter, suppose I have colored this cell in yellow, and what I want is to color all the cells in yellow. So what I can do is or it's like suppose not even yellow, I have changed the cells to any Times New Roman or some other that I want it to be replicated in all these cells. So I don't want to do it again and again, going to yellow and changing its font, etc. So what I can use is format painter. But with format painter, if you click format painter for once and then do it, the power of format painters gets like it's removed once you have clicked in some other cell. But if you want to do it in all the cells without clicking format cell or format painter again and again, because you can it's very difficult to click on this and again click on format painter, then do this, then again format painter. So instead of doing that, what you can do is just double click at format painter. Now this format painter is available till whenever time you want to use. Like I want to use it as Donald Trump, so it got yellow, I want to use it here, it gets yellow and its font is changed. Wherever I want to use it, I can use it, and when I'm done using it, I can just go out here and just click on this and the format painter is gone. So this is one of the function that you can use, or useful function that is available in Excel on double clicking. One more function which is there in Excel for double clicking is that suppose if you are in any of the cell and you want to reach out to the end of this database, if you want to just reach out on the end of this, so go out here at the end of it, this type of sign comes, dotted plus, arrow plus. What you have to do is just double click it and it automatically reaches to the last cell of that particular column or row. Like for example, if you are on the 4 and you want to reach to the work area or the week or at the end of this database, what you have to do is go at the right of this box, double click out here, and it automatically reaches to the last of at the end of this row. Okay, so this is one of the function. Another thing regarding this double clicks, for example, if you are anywhere in the worksheet out here, it's a blank worksheet, as in this case it won't work in the right direction and the down direction, because there is a lot many columns that are there, which so it can't decide that where at what point to stop. Similarly the case is there when it moves downward. But what it could do is, like if you want to move up, so it knew that where to stop, it will go at the topmost column or top or the leftmost row. If you double click, like for example, if I double click it at the top of this box, it will go to the topmost cell in the column. And similarly, if I double click at the left of this, it will go to the leftmost place available in this worksheet. So this is how you can use double clicks in MS Excel for various uses. I hope you have liked the video, and we'll be coming with some more such videos further. Thank you so much. See you soon.